Okay, helping my friend Ricardo out here with his Jeep. We're doing a starter on that, and he had a question about what the starter was and the components. So this part here is the main starter motor. It's a DC starter motor, and the way it gets turned on is there's a piece called a solenoid here, which is basically a low current switch that when it gets powered up, it pushes in, turns the starter motor. There's a gear right here. So typical way that it is in the vehicle is you have a ground from the block, you have a primary power into the starter here. When the solenoid works and operates, when it's turned on from this point here, it supplies power here. So we're going to bench test it. This is the old one that came out of it, and it was clicking from time to time. So right now it's working, but there's a little bit of slop in that terminal there. There's a good chance that that part there is what is causing the damage on it. So the power here that I'm supplying usually comes through the ignition switch and then through some kind of safety device like a clutch or some sort of neutral safety switch. So when you turn the key, it has a relay, it supplies power here, that goes and operates this, that operates that spins the engine and it fires up. I think you got it on video. You can just do a picture unless you want to do a video. So on this 2012 Wrangler, I think it's a 3.8, just something to watch out for going back on the starter. I had it where we were about ready to put it in, but there's a shim piece here that actually needs to slide into the block there. But if you put like a little 1/4-inch extension there, that'll help keep that located as you go and go back in with the starter. If you don't slide that shim into the block in that little recess there, the starter is not going to fit flat. It might work, but it's not going to be right. So just watch out for that as you're going in with the starter.